Hey, what's going on, you guys? In this video, I'm going to be talking about the 3 most profitable niches when it comes to affiliate marketing. Now, if you're brand new to affiliate marketing, then this video is going to help you out. Most people who are getting started with affiliate marketing, they don't really know too much about what they're doing. They just know that you can make money online by promoting somebody else's product, but they don't really know where to start. So they just find an affiliate product, they just get an affiliate link, and they just start spamming that all over the internet. But in this video, I'm going to show you, or I'm going to be talking about 3 most profitable online niches to focus on. Now, before I go any further into this video, I just want to first welcome you guys to my channel, Motivational Marketer. And if you guys are interested in learning different methods when it comes to making money online, then I invite you to subscribe and also hit the bell icon so you'll be notified when I upload new videos. Okay, so the first niche that I'm going to be talking about is going to be the make money online niche. The reason why this one is always profitable and always will be is because people are always looking to make more money. There's plenty of people who are working at jobs they hate. They're just living paycheck to paycheck, and they're looking for an alternative way where they can earn more money instead of trading their time for money. So if this is a niche that you want to focus on, if it's something that you're passionate about, then this is going to be one of the most profitable niches to focus on. If you can effectively show people the different ways that there are to making money online, then this is probably a good niche for you to go with. Now, the second most profitable online niche is going to be the relationship niche, because we as human beings, we have this natural desire to love and be loved. It's just part of human nature, and this niche is always going to be profitable. So if you can show people, great ways to find their soulmate, find their spouse, dating tips, this might be a great niche for you to go with. And the third most profitable online niche to get started with when it comes to affiliate marketing is going to be the health and wellness niche. Because there's always people who are looking to live healthier lives, improve their lifestyle. People want to be more active. People want to always lose weight. So this niche is going to be profitable. So these 3 niches that I just mentioned, they're known as evergreen niches. There's going to be other niches that are going to come and go, but these top 3 niches are going to be always profitable. As long as somebody's always looking to make more money, as long as somebody's always looking to get better at dating or relationships, and as long as there's people out there who are looking to live healthier lives, these niches are always going to be profitable. Now, that doesn't mean that there aren't other profitable niches out there when it comes to affiliate marketing. You just have to do your research, find a niche that is going to be profitable, and then just create content based around that niche. A great example is anytime you go on YouTube and you look up reviews for a certain product, let's say a certain laptop or the newest Apple laptop that just came out, you're going to see a ton of people reviewing that product. And more than likely, you're going to find an affiliate link where you can buy that laptop yourself. So if you were to click on that affiliate link and buy that product, then the person who reviewed that product and left their affiliate link in the description of that video, they would get a commission from that. Just because I mentioned these niches as the most profitable niches to get started with affiliate marketing, that doesn't mean that that's all you should focus on if you're not really passionate about them. You just have to find out what works for you and find a way to monetize that. But if you're just getting started with affiliate marketing and you have no idea which direction to go with, and you're just finding any type of product to promote and spamming affiliate links all over the internet, it's important to focus on a certain niche. You want to have products that are going to be related to each other, because this is how you can establish your brand and just start promoting products that are related in that certain niche. Because if you have a product that's related to another product, it's in the same category, then the person that you're promoting the first product to is more likely to buy the second product. So let's say, for example, your niche is something to do with home appliances. So if you're promoting a blender, more than likely the person that buys the blender that you're promoting is open to buy like a KitchenAid mixer because they're related. But if you're promoting a blender and you don't know what niche to go with, and then you promote some type of camping equipment, that's not really related. So the odds are somebody buying both products is pretty low. So that's why it's important to focus on a specific niche. So I just wanted to make this quick video to help you guys out who are just getting started with affiliate marketing on deciding what niche to go with. And if you want to learn more about affiliate marketing in more detail, I have a playlist that I just did a little while ago explaining how to get started with affiliate marketing for beginners. So I'll leave that in the card somewhere if you guys want to check that out. Well, that's basically it for this video. Hope you guys enjoyed it, and hopefully you guys got some value from it. And if you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. So with that being said, I'll catch you guys in the next one.